Hi, this is 8718 Rainforest, and I'm here getting ready to take a look at it. And here's the front. There's the way in. Pretty peaceful. You know, it's in a really good area for short-term rentals, like within 5 miles of Disney. It's actually the same community as Britannia. All right, I'm gonna go in. Okay, so it's a second floor unit. Everything looks really clean and nice here. Everything looks very well maintained. Okay, here's the entrance. Roof looks really, really good. It's a little raining out here, so if it's a stain, it's just what it looks like on the roof. It's rain. Okay, so here's the inside. So it's a second floor unit, and it's got cathedral ceilings in the living room, which is really nice. Gives a lot of openness and feel in here. Okay, so it's got an original kitchen, it looks like, so nothing new or updated. It's just, but it's nice. You know, it's got a lot of counter space. It's got a bar area. All the appliances are stainless and black. Floor is laminate. It's in good condition. Here's your here's your kitchen. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So here's the bath, 1 bath. Bedroom number 1. It has some updated fixtures. I like mirrored closets because it gives the room more depth. I don't see any issues on the ceiling yet. It's like a new hot water heater. I'm not sure about the AC. It looks like it's been here for a while. Okay, bedroom number 2. Well, this looks like the master, right? It's got very high ceilings. It's got an entrance onto the back porch back here. And looks like a 3rd bedroom also has an entrance. Okay. Large room with a bathroom. Each door has a lockout on it. Okay, we have a walk-in closet in here. And we have vinyl on the floor. And looks like we have a light fixture that's loose. Looks like we have some issues on the grout. This all just looks original. So it just really, the ceiling looks good, the paint looks good, the floors actually look good. I don't see any evidence of leakage, but you know, it's just older, it needs to be redone. Okay. All right, so this room also has a 3rd bedroom with a bathroom. I mean, a 3rd bathroom. So this would be a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Wow, wouldn't it? Okay. There you go. Looks like we won't be worrying about toilet paper. All right. doke. And there we go. All right, I will send this to you shortly. All right, talk to you soon. Nice walk-in closet here as well.